This is Way of the Cross with Brother Woody. Good morning to everyone. Well, I'm reading here in Galatians chapter 4, and I'm just wondering about these verses. Whether or not, as a non-Jew, we are covered by this particular verse, which says that in the fullness of time was come, God sent forth his Son, made of a woman, made under the law, to redeem them that were under the law, that we might receive the adoption of sons. And because ye are sons, God hath sent forth the Spirit of his Son into your hearts, crying, Abba, Father. So I'm just wondering, if you're not a Jew, whether you're covered by these verses. As Gentiles, Paul says that we receive eternal life through Jesus' death and burial and resurrection. So maybe someone can explain this to me and find out whether or not we will become joint heirs with Jesus. Thank you for tuning in to Way of the Cross. The Lord bless you and keep you until we meet again. This is Brother Woody saying have a good day.